Prayer for humble obedience. Dear God, as the world is teeming with overchoice, it can be overwhelming at times that I am rendered with restlessness. Grant me your wisdom and calm, O God, that I will make wise decisions and to always choose to be humble and compliant to what is prompt, apt, and just. May my eyes see what is essential and right, and may I have the courage to ask the right questions and be committed to what is important and necessary. Above all, may I be a part of that solution. May I take just and humble compliance as a duty. May my actions be guided and be well discerned. Help me to do things right. Lead me to fulfill my purpose. Help me to follow you all the days of my life. Amen.